Hello students, how are you everybody doing? Myself Chandrasekhar. Okay, today we are going to discuss and you are going to learn in Geography Unit 1, India's position and extent. So what is the position of India from where to where it is extended? Okay, we'll read this. Geographically, India is located within both Northern Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. So first you need to understand what is Northern Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. Hemisphere is the space occupied in the globe. When we take this, consider this as a globe, the space which is occupied here is considered as a hemisphere, and the line in the middle which I have marked, which divides northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So northern hemisphere the upper part and the southern hemisphere the lower one. Now here you can see where exactly the position and how it extended we can find out through the globe, through this understanding the hemisphere. Now here we are going to study the position and the extent. Now the position, where exactly it comes. So it says that India comes in northern hemisphere. You see here, this is below the line is southern hemisphere. So above the line is northern hemisphere. So the position of India, which lies in the northern hemisphere, you can see above this line. Clear? Above this line. So it is in northern hemisphere. And next we will see that eastern hemisphere. When this is northern, this is southern, this is western hemisphere, and this towards right side is eastern hemisphere. So India lies in the northern hemisphere as well as eastern hemisphere. You see this line can be divided into, this is north, this is west, this is south, okay, and this is east. Now northern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, that is towards east, so it is located. Next, it is a peninsula situated in South Asia. When we come under understanding on the 7 continents, this is North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. So these are the 7 continents. And here it says in Asia it's in the southern part. In Asia this is the north, this is the west, and this is the east, and this is south. So here it says it is a peninsula situated in South Asia, the southern part of Asia. And what is peninsula? Peninsula is, what is peninsula? 3 sides of water, 1 side of land. So here one side you have land and you have 3 sides, okay, 3 sides of water. So hence it is called as peninsula. Next, the mainland of India extends from 8.4 inches to 37 degree 0.6 inches north latitude. So the next class I am going to explain you what are longitudes, what are latitudes. Now for today's understanding, it lies here like 8 degree 4 inches to 37 degree 6 inches north latitude, 68 degree 7 inches to 97 degree to 25 inches east longitude. So it says latitude, okay, this level is stretched out with this degree to this 8 to 37 degree, and longitude is from 68 to 97. So this length is from 68 to vertically 68 to 97, from horizontally 8 degrees to 37 degrees. So this is how it is positioned, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands extended further southwards and add to India's latitudinal extent. Here you can see Andaman and Nicobar Islands next to India. I have marked here. Clear? And the Indira Point, the southernmost point, is located in Nicobar Islands at 6 degree 0.45 inches north latitude. Here IP, Indira Point, this is the tip it comes here, and this is Indira Point with 6 degree 0.45 inches north latitude. The southern tip, and you also have the northern tip. The northern tip of India is Indira Col in Jammu and Kashmir. Here, this tip, which is Indira Col. So in this lesson, a very important that you need to understand today, hemisphere. Hemisphere is the space which occupied in the globe, and you have northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, western hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, where India is positioned in northern and towards east. That is why it's northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. You are clear? Next, India is a peninsula situated in South Asia. In Asia, it's in southern part, and it's a peninsula, which is 3 sides of water, 1 side of land. Next, then 8 degree 0.4 inches to 37 degree 0.6 inches northern latitude, where I will be teaching you what are latitudes and longitudes in the next class. Here, this is extended to this degree, and the 68 degree to 7 inches to 97 degree to 0.25 inches east longitude, which comes here. So this is the points that you need to understand, and it is also has the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the southern tip of India lies in Nicobar Islands, which is called as Indira Point, and towards the northern you can see that the point in the northern side is Indira Col, which lies in Jammu and Kashmir. This is our students. Today we understood the basic introduction about the position and the extent of India, where exactly it lies. Clear? Any doubt I will clarify in the next class. You can call me or contact. And now these are the points. Every year there is a question on the northern side, Indira Col, and the southern tip, Indira Point, where it lies and what are the degrees and from where it is situated. This 1 or 2 marks is compulsory for every year final exam. So this today we understood, and next class I will be coming with you to teach about what are longitudes and latitudes. Thank you.